Hey babes, hey, your girl is back with a quick little video. Hey to all my oldies but goodies and my newbie but truebies. How y'all doing? Make sure if you haven't had a chance already to subscribe. I have been trying to drop more videos. I know it's not the ideal videos that my babes is used to, which is the how-to videos. These have been more informational videos because I've been just trying to figure out different ways to get y'all the information that's going on with Go Lucky. But honey, hopefully we can get back to where we were as far as the how-to videos, because I came to tell y'all that I actually, well, y'all already know this if you're on my email list. So if you already on the email list and you got your email today, let me know in the comments, like, yeah, I already knew, because the email subscribers, they always get the tea first. It's just easier that way because I have so many babes on my subscription list. So it's a lot easier just to send an email, and whoever opens it and follow the directions, then baby, we be good on communication. It's for the people who don't open their emails or send the emails to junk or just don't even care overall, that be lost in the sauce. Okay, so kudos to my babes. I appreciate y'all so much, for everybody who, like I said, been trying their hardest to keep up with your girl. It's been a struggle for me keeping up with y'all too. So it's a lot going on both ends, because y'all are my babes. I've been rocking with y'all for almost 3 years, and y'all been rocking with me for almost 3 years. A lot of y'all I know knew along the way, but y'all still my babes. If you watch my videos, you support my videos, you subscribe, you follow me on my other platforms, you purchase from Goluckycharmz, you here to motivate or get motivated, you're still my babes. It doesn't matter how old or new you are. I appreciate y'all all the same. I promise you I do. But it's just been hard these last couple months. I thought me being away from IG, I was going to be able to, actually flourish better. And not to say that I haven't, it's just harder to do, which like drains me in a sense. And I know I'm a little like going over and study telling y'all what I need to be telling y'all, but just work with me. Y'all know your girl like to talk. If you know your girl Lucky, then you already know that though, okay? Because you true to this. You ain't new to this. But yeah, it has been extremely hard. Like, I'm trying to go on TikTok and post videos, but y'all know over there, it's just weird. I don't know. I tried to like the app, and I'm not leaving the app. I'm not saying that, but I'm just posting, and I guess until I figure out which way I want to go with it. What I don't like about it is when you go live over there, it's different because they don't save the live. So if my babes are not active on at the moment that I'm going live, which most of us, work at different times of the day, in and out of the house at different times of the day. So the thing about IG is when you go live over there, you're able to save your lives. And then if you're at work or you're busy or you just can't get to the live right then and there, you're able to go back and watch it in a very short time period, versus like this over here. If you don't have your notifications on, or you're not used to being on YouTube often, then you might not see this video for 2-3 months down the line. It's crazy how it works. I love YouTube. I feel like every platform has this thing. Like, I like my YouTube and use it for how-to videos. Lately, I've been using it as a form of communication because I knew a lot of my babes do migrate from here. They'll find me here and then they'll follow me other places. So I still have to give my girls their tea over here as well as the other platforms. So what I like to do is, what I usually been trying to do is start off with an email, because whether you're on my social media or not, you can still get the email. Then I usually go to TikTok and I make a quick pre-recorded video trying to let y'all know, like 1 minute or less, what's going on. It's not a lot that I can get in that 1 minute, but I try to do what I can because I know the extension span is very short, okay? And then I take my time and come over here, because I know for the girls who do have their notifications on or whatever the case may be, they'll catch the video as well. So I'm trying to get to y'all, but it has been extremely hard trying to maneuver all over the place when I'm used to just cutting on my IG, making a live or doing a pre-recorded video or posting some of my stuff, and boom, everything is happening, because that's where most of my babes is. So we've been working it out, and I appreciate y'all for everything. But like, y'all even been telling me like, Lucky, it's hard to keep up nowadays. Like, what's going on? Where you at? Are you okay? Some of y'all just know. If you know, you know. If you're a real Trubie, then you know where I'm at. You know, no matter if you see my face or not, you know you can still shop. The website is always there. It's not going anywhere. I pay for it by the year, not by the month. So the website is there. You can always go shop the site. And if anything was to change and I decided to close down today, y'all will get an email. So it's very important to get on the email list. The email list is everything. I promise you, they get it first. I have to, like, I already got stuff scheduled for this week going out. You know, we got some sales last week. The sales were low because I really didn't do any sales. I was kind of focused on the vendor list. We do still have a few vendors list left. I'm not going to rant and rave about that. If you know, you know. If you want it, you know how to get it. But yeah, we have a few vendors list left, but we're back on our regular sales. So this week, babes, be looking out for them emails because we got something going on. I'm not even going to tell y'all what it is, but we haven't did it in a year, and I'm super excited for y'all for it. So I hope y'all take full advantage and shop this week's sale. But yeah, if you don't know, I kind of ran my mouth a little bit, but I'm back on IG. Yep. It took me almost 6 minutes to tell y'all because I don't be want to leave other stuff out. But yeah, your girl is back, and this time it's different. It's not a page where I would be following a lot of accounts. It's not like it's not like the old Go Lucky page, y'all. It's a private page. Let me just tell y'all that it's not for everybody. It's for private. I do feel like with the people who have lost their pages in the past, one of the things that they did to continue to push their business and being on that platform, they just made and created private pages. And I was like, you know, against it. I was dead set on, I'm done with IG. I'm forever done. I'm good. I just have to work it out until everything dissolves itself. And then I'm good. But unfortunately, if that's where my girls is at, that's where I need to be. If that's an easier platform for us to all meet up. And I know a lot of y'all been messaging me on different, like I told y'all in the last video, y'all follow me wherever I go. I got my Facebook girls that follow me different places or messaging me on Facebook. I got 2 different IG, one for Boho, one for Truly. Y'all message me on those. Y'all message me on TikTok. Y'all message me under these comments. My girls is true, okay? They are loyal babes, and I appreciate y'all so much. So now we're going to be back at our original place where we could call home. It's called Go Lucky Babes. I'm not putting it across the screen because I'm not editing this video, and I'm trying to get this video done in 10 minutes. So I only got less than 3 minutes to finish this off. So it's Go Lucky Babes. GOLUCKYBABEZ. No S, Z. I am going to put the new page in the description for anybody who just like, what she say? I don't get that. It's going to be a link in the description, and y'all will just be able to honestly just click the link and follow me over there. It is by request. Everybody will not be accepted. I'm trying to find the girls that I know that really actually follow me and that really, really support Go Lucky, not the girls that just there just to be there. Like, you have to be supporting in some type of way or in the community where you either uplifting somebody or needs to be uplifted. I will have my live sales there. I will do pre-recorded videos there. But for sure, our conversations is what I missed a lot the most. I know a lot of y'all have been missing them, telling me like the motivation is not the same. Nobody's filling in these spots, which I get it. Everybody's busy. Everybody's doing their own thing. But I mean, for me to get this many messages, that just means for the ones who need me, I'm trying to be here to the best of my ability. Also, I still have a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of, y'all. Believe it or not, like, not having the IG has hindered my business in ways I didn't even think it could, but it has. And I need to continue to sell this stuff because I cannot see myself boxing up tens of thousands of dollars worth of stuff and just sticking it in the basement. I told y'all that before. So I'm still pushing. I'm still shipping out orders. God has been a blessing, like, throughout it all. When I wanted to give up plenty of times because things wasn't going my way, he'll come through and knock me down with like 10 or 12 sales, and I'll be like, okay, so that's enough motivation for me to get going. I don't get those sales every single day, but that's enough for me to stay motivated to keep pushing my business. So I hope if you're listening to this and you've been really going through it, sis, we're back to motivate you, get you going, you know, keep pushing you to push yourself, push your business. That's what I'm doing, so you're not by yourself. And like I said, that's it. That's all. It's Go Lucky Babes. Click the link in the description. Follow me over there. I'm almost at my 10 minutes and I need to shut up. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all so much. I will be going live for the first time this Wednesday. So if you have made it this far in the video, then you know what day I'll be going live over there. Make sure y'all sharing this out, please, and thank y'all. Y'all can share this video to y'all stories. Y'all can tell a friend. Y'all can tell a sister. Y'all can put it in the Facebook groups. Y'all can help your girl come back. I'm trying to come back hard, y'all. Like, not in the sense of buying a whole bunch of inventory, but just being back out here. Like, Go Lucky is still here. I'm not gone. I've been trying to push, and I feel like every 3 steps I take, I get knocked down 10 more steps, but I keep pushing. And that's honestly because I don't like to give up. I'm not a quitter, but also to motivate somebody else. Like I said, it's a lot of people over the last year had just given up. They haven't pivoted. They haven't really pushed. They haven't tried. They just have given up. And I feel like when I was going live, me and other women were able to communicate and uplift each other and push each other. And some days I still feel like I need that. I feel like I need my girls to motivate me and say, Lucky, it's going to be okay. Because like I said, every day is not a good day. It's just that I have that strength in me because I have a family. I have kids that I have to look at every day. I have to keep pushing. And sometimes I'm pushing multiple things at once, and it can be overwhelming. But listen, if ain't nobody else gonna do it for your businesses, you have to do it for yourself. So I'm super excited to be back. I cannot wait to Wednesday. Like I said, make sure you're on the email list. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. Make sure you send in your requests for Go Lucky Babe so that you can be with us on the live this week. It is private now, so if you are one of the type of people that don't mind going live or felt some type of insecurity about going live because if you felt like it was open to the public and you just didn't know who would maybe come by and see you on the live, then I understand that. But sis, there's no more of that. It's private. We got our own private group, girl. So now y'all can feel exclusive. So I could do live sales over there. I could show y'all stuff. We could just chit chat without anybody knowing what's going on behind the scenes. And also to hopefully you know, so IG won't be messing with my page. Even though they're not going to really have nothing to mess with, I did tell y'all that, or at least I tried to tell y'all, it's not going to be one of them pages where I'm constantly posting. Please don't look for daily posts. Please don't look at it like out of sight, out of mind. Since I'm there, I just have to be extremely careful on what I put on my page, private or not. I don't want to have to keep starting over. I also know this page is not going to get to its maximum capacity because I'm just not allowing everybody to get in the group. But I want the babes that's in the group to feel exclusive and feel like, you know, you're getting something that everybody is not giving, you know, or it being able to get to. So I'm excited. I hope y'all are too. Like I said, tell a friend to tell a friend so we can all be friends. But I will see y'all on Wednesday. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Smooches and deuces.